Ladies and gentlemen of the United States, it is now time for Isaiah to have a game reaction. Yeah.
I have to have an update for this game? Okay, an update for this game is available on Xbox Live. The update, poop. I'm here playing White Noise, which is a Xbox Slender. Carrie is also in the party. Hey, if I scream like a little baby girl, do not make fun of me. But he's probably not going to talk, and if he does talk, he's probably going to do some nasty sounds. So anyways, the basis of this game is exactly like Slender. You have to go around, not collecting pages, but you have to collect 8 tape recorders. Not tapes, just tape recorders. And it's like this weird alien looking mother effer coming to try to kill you. And it's an Xbox Live indie game. I think it's only like 80 Microsoft points. Appearances in an old plot in northwest France. And my work buddy quickly planned the trip. We wanted to publish the story in a okay, or just disappear so I can't read it, you douche. Okay, this guy's looking for his friend in this woods. I haven't beat it. I haven't watched any gameplay of somebody beating it. Well, that's stupid. I can hear it from like a mile away. 1 out of 8. Okay, I have my headphones up really loud, louder than I usually do. There's a random guy screaming. I can't either. I'm going at like 4 frames per second. This update obviously didn't help. That was the worst ending to a game I've ever seen in my entire life. You are dead. Thank you for telling me that. Tape recorders found. It took me 6 minutes to find one. That's all the time I have. Ooh, statue boobs.